What are you doing?
I'm vlogging, bro.
What? Hey.
First day of junior year.
I don't know.
Miss, so we could basically say it's like the motivation.
Exactly. That's what exigence is. It's the motivation. The thing that made the person that wrote it decide, I'm gonna write this. We don't have to rush for time, so I'm gonna just...
Hey y'all, so I'm back home from school. I didn't really film a lot because it's a lot of people and I didn't want to be doing too much. So it took 8 hours for my hair to be done. I just wanted to show y'all why. Put it back in this little ponytail and y'all see I got locks, right? If I just stretch this out, you'll see that they are very long. When you put it up in like buns and stuff, the longer the hair is, the more fuller the style will look. So this morning I tried to do a little, I just put it all in this ponytail. Y'all, it was so hard to sleep. Like, I put my hair in this little scarf bag thing, hat thingy. I don't know what it's called. A hat. So I end up just taking the whole thing off and then keeping my top scarf on that's supposed to keep this stuff laid. And then these was just out. I'm gonna show y'all what my scarf look like later. It's really crazy. Like, these aren't that heavy. These feel like thin strands of yarn. School was mid. I mean, up until Spanish class, I was really happy. I got an AP Spanish now. Last year, I could like hang on by a thread. I don't know a lick of Spanish anymore. I know yo means I know a little bit, but I don't know enough. Whole class, I was staring into space. Like, I could not. I knew what he was saying every now and then, but it's like I have to read the Spanish words. I can't just hear you say them. I'm just glad I got that class over with. And now I better get off this camera and start studying because I have to study for my AP classes, even though we just started. And I gotta get on Duolingo for Spanish. I don't have to, but I'm choosing to because I need to know Spanish, so I have to do this myself. See, if anything new pops up, I'll bring the camera, but every time I have to put my backpack on, I have to flip this whole thing to the front and then put both sides on and then flip this back over my backpack. It's a mess. It's a cute mess though. It's a cute mess, but it's a lot. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, okay y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all my scarf and how I do this. So basically, I put on, you see this camel scarf here? First I put on this camel scarf to keep my my parts nice and clean and neat, and I put this purple one on to keep all the locks in one place.
Actually, I think this might be want to throw up. I'm not gonna lie.
Ew. Bam! No, I'm just kidding.
So what do you get?
Hey guys.
I don't know. I think so.
The water was kind of dirty, so it's the sugar solution. So the water, sugar, and glucose.
Hey y'all, I think it's I don't know how many days it's been. This is another day where I'm back home from school and I filmed some weird stuff and I'm probably gonna put it in with this clip. So basically today was club rush, y'all. It was a lot going on in my school today. People was patrolling, they were saying no, you can't come inside during lunch and all this stuff was going on, right? I now sign up for the CIF sports, right? So that when swimming season comes back and it's time for me to swim, I can still be doing another sport while that's not back yet. And I got these dreads for a reason, or these locks, or whatever you want to say. So I'm gonna keep these in while swimming is not here so I can enjoy having a hairstyle. At least for like a little bit. I'm like second or third in line and it's all these dudes just come running up to sign up, shoving me, I'm pushing and all this stuff going on. I'm just like, bruh, I was just in like second and now I'm like in like fourth or something. Luckily, somebody that was at the front of the line who was on my swim team last year brought the paper. They brought the paper back to me. So I sneaked off and signed the paper and then went back, shoved through, put the paper back on the table. But let me tell y'all why one of my teachers is a This is Miss. I'm trying to remember Miss. Okay, I'm saying because it's like it's the most nicest, not compliment, the most nicest disrespectful thing I could come up with, right? So Miss wants me to reread and redo work I did 2 months ago, and you're like, Queen, just redo the work, right? Who wants to reread and do work they did 2 months ago? So in reality, Miss didn't do anything to me. I just don't want to do the work because I did this 2 months ago for summer homework. It took me hours and I finished it. I'm done with it. Let's move on to the next lesson. You know how I feel, right? But no, it needs to be perfect. I need to turn it in. I need to do revision. And then there's another class, they want me to do the same thing. She's not Miss because that class is easier. It's just a different situation. I got AP Spanish and I'm ready to get out. I heard that after like the 2nd or 3rd week of school, you could switch your classes out, your AP classes. I don't know if that's true. I'll do anything instead of AP Spanish. Like honestly, I'm telling y'all, I go into that classroom, I understand like 4 words per sentence that my teacher says. I only understand 4 words out of all 1,000 because he talks at 1,000 miles per hour, especially in Spanish. You know, they talk fast. Seeing the directions in Spanish, the prompts in Spanish, the assignments in Spanish, the answers in Spanish, it's like I'm not built for this right now, okay?
Fire in order to sterilize, make sure there's no other contamination from bacteria. Lump of agar in the middle.
Would you want to burn it?
If I drop it, I'm gonna die.
Does it have springs at the bottom?
I have no idea how to take it off. Super clean, you know?
It's super fun.
You need your glove to just take them out. Be careful with these cubes, guys, because they're very fragile. They seem rough, but you know, if you break them, that'll mess up the whole experiment. Open up this vinegar, which again, you guys will just come up here, one of your partners, and then I'll help you guys. And then you're gonna cover this. Really what you need to do is just measure the length of it, right? So what you can even do, just figure out a way to measure it.
3 days later.
Hey y'all, good morning. So right now it's like 6:52 or something, and I'm scared because I usually leave out the door by like 6:30 something or 6:45. School starts at like 8:20, but my mom has to start work at 8, so I have to be at school an hour earlier, which means I have to wake up at 5. Y'all, I am so sore. Yesterday I had cross country practice. My chest wasn't burning like how it used to do. Maybe because I wasn't running, but I was jogging a mile, but still I wasn't like going full pace. Every time I've started a sport in my life, elementary school, middle school, high school, it doesn't matter, my ankles start tripping out. Like I noticed when I came back home, one of my ankles started feeling a little bit weird, and I hate that every time I start like working out or anything like that, my ankles just start like being weird. So I actually talked to the doctor about it, and she was just saying I just need to build my ankles up. And I was kind of confused because it's like when I was playing sports like consistently, the ankles should have been built up then if I kept playing the sport, right? I think my ankles might just be messed up because it was a couple times I caught both of my ankles in the bike thing. Y'all know those rackets or those silver things. I got my whole foot stuck in there multiple times, both feet. Also, when I think I played soccer in elementary school for a little bit, twisted my ankle. I feel like it was another time I twisted my ankle back. Hey y'all, so today is Monday, September 12th, and I'm going to school today. Today is pajama day. So basically you can come in whatever you want. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit real quick. I hope y'all can see. I put on this California hoodie, and I got my blue head wrap to match with the blue on the hoodie. Y'all can see this big old bun on my head. Some of these like comfy leggings, and y'all, I'm literally gonna wear house shoes. Like I'm literally going to wear my house shoes because that's pajamas for me personally. Now they lucky I ain't coming up to the school in my headscarf, because I sure would. If I didn't have these big old dreads, I would come in a headscarf because that is truly my pajamas. I don't really have pajamas, and my family doesn't really have pajamas because we don't sleep in pajamas. You know what we sleep in? Our underclothes. I actually have to go to the store and get some like makeshift pajamas because technically any pajamas I own would be hoodie and sweatpants, and my mom was like, that's not pajamas. This is the first week of Spirit Week, y'all. Today was supposed to be 80s day for my junior grade. I'm all dressed up. I got my hoops on, my hair up. I got an MTV shirt on. I got a jean jacket, my boot cut jeans, and my Doc Martens. I just wanted to show you my outfit for day 2 of Spirit Week. This is my outfit: jean, more jean, and boots. Hey y'all, so today is Heritage Day, so I got my dashiki on and just some black shorts. But y'all, I'm nervous because I have a test in biology and I'm literally studying right now. I do not get anything this teacher is talking about. He goes straight into it, talking about like atoms and molecules and polarity, and it's like, so I gotta do my Khan Academy because I don't get this and I want to pass the test and get my grade up. So pray for me, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm finally back home and I'm tired. I wanted to show y'all my whole outfit. Good morning, y'all. Today is sports/jersey day. So let me show y'all what I put. Y'all see I got on a Trojan shirt with the USC logo, and I got on a LA Kings bandana, and yellow shoes and short and black shorts. So yeah, y'all, this is what I wore for sports day. Hey y'all, so today at my school today was color day at school. So juniors wear red. So I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick before I leave. I got my head wrap, my big old bun, and I got these earrings my mom bought me. Got on this red Clippers hoodie. I don't know nothing about sports. It's just a red hoodie that I own. I just got on some regular jeans, and I got on these shoes my mom bought me. That's my outfit today. I do not want to go to school. No, I'm so over school. I don't care.